Hello students, welcome to class 8 maths. Let's see exercise 7.2, how to find the HCF. In lower class, you find the HCF by using factorization method. Now we can use the continuous division method to find the HCF. Step 1, divide the larger number by the smaller number. Second, the remainder from the step 1 become the new divisor, and divisor of step 1 becomes the new dividend. Repeat this division process till the remainder becomes 0. The divisor of the last division is the HCF. So your first question is 455 and 26. So here the largest number is 455. So 455 is the dividend and the divisor is 26. 26 ones are 26. So 15 minus 6 is 9. Then 3 minus 2 is 1. Bring the 5. 7s are 182. 5 minus 2 is 3. 9 minus 8 is 1. So the new divisor is 13 and the dividend is 26. CF is 13. Again I am repeating. Divide the larger number by smaller number. So 26 ones are 26. 15 minus 6 is 9. 3 minus 2 is 1. Then bring this 5 down. Again 26 sevens are 182. So 195 minus 182 is 5 minus 2 is 3. 9 minus 8 is 1. Then keep this 13 as a new divisor and bring the 26 as new dividend. So 13 2s are 26. As we got the remainder 0, your HCF is 13. Next question, find the HCF for 392 and 256. So the larger number you have to divide by the smaller number. Larger number is 392 and smaller number is 256. So 256 ones are 256. 12 minus 6 is 6 and 8 minus 5 is 3. Then 3 minus 2 is 1. So 136 you have to take as a new divisor and bring the 256 as a new dividend. And the new dividend is 256. Now 136 ones are 136. 6 minus 6 is 0. 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. Now keep this 120 as a new divisor and dividend is 136. So again 120 ones are 120. 6 minus 0 is 6. 3 minus 2 is 1. So keep the next new divisor is 16 and dividend is 120. 16 sevens are 112. Then 10 minus 2 is 8. 1 minus 1 is 0. So keep 8 as a new divisor and 16 as new dividend. So 8 2s are 16. 16 minus 16 is 0. So till you get the remainder as 0, you have to repeat the division. So your new HCF is 8. minus 0 is as question 184, 230 and 276. So first take two number. 230 is divided by 184. 184 ones are 184. Then 10 minus 4 is 6. 12 minus 8 is 4. Now your new divisor is 46 and dividend is 184. 46 4s are 184. So 184 minus 184 is 0. So your HCF is 1. Your HCF is 46. Now divide 276 by 46. 46 6 are 276. Therefore, HCF is equal to 276. Then repeated subtraction method to find the HCF for the given two numbers. Say m and n. We do the subtraction continuously until m and n are equal. So first you have to check whether m is equal to n or m is greater than n or m is less than n. Okay. If m is greater than n, then we can perform m minus n and assign the result as m. Again, we check whether m and n are equal or not and repeat the process. If m is less than n, then we perform n minus m and we assign the result as n. Again, we check whether m and n are equal or not and the process is repeated till m is equal to n. So your question is, using the repeated subtraction method, find the HCF of. So m is equal to 42 and n is equal to 70. So if you see here, n is greater than m. So subtract n minus m, which is equal to 70 minus 42. So 70 minus 42. 10 minus 2 is 8. 6 minus 4 is 2. 28. Now take this 2 number. 42 minus 28. How to subtract smaller number from greater number. Therefore, 42 minus 28. Which is equal to 14. Then take the next number. 28 minus 14. 28 minus 14. 8 minus 4 is 4. 2 minus 1 is 1. Now 14 minus 14 is equal to 0. That is m is equal to n. So your HCF is 14. Next question, 36 and 80. M is equal to 36, n is equal to 80. Therefore, you have to subtract n minus m, which is equal to 80 minus 36. So, 80 minus 36. 10 minus 6 is 4. 7 minus 3 is 4. 44. Now take this 2 number. 44 minus 36. 14 minus 6 is 8. Then 36 minus 8. 16 minus 8 is 8. Then 228. Then 28 minus 8 is equal to 20. 20 minus 8 is equal to 12. Then 12 minus 8 is equal to 4. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. Then 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, your answer is HCF is equal to 4. Then third one, 280 and 420. M is equal to 280, N is equal to 420. Therefore, N minus M. 420 minus 280, which is equal to 140. Then 280 minus 140 is equal to 140. Then 140 minus 140 is equal to 0. Therefore, HCF is equal to 140. Do the given problems by repeated subtraction method and verify the result. So here they found the HCF by using repeated division method. Ask you to find HCF by repeated subtraction method and verify the result. 56 and 12. M is equal to 56, N equal to 12. Therefore, M minus N. 56 minus 12 is equal to 6 minus 2 is 4. 5 minus 1 is 4. Then take up 44 and 12. 44 minus 12, which is equal to 4 minus 2 is 2. 4 minus 1 is 3. Then take next two number, 32 minus 12. 2 minus 2 is 0. 3 minus 1 is 2. Then 20 minus 12, which is equal to 20 minus 12 is 8. Then 12 minus 8 is equal to 4. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, HCF is equal to 4. For the division, they given the HCF is equal to 4. So, verified. Second question, do as homework. Third question, Kalai wants to cut identical squares as big as she can from a piece of paper measuring 168 mm and by 196 mm. What is the length of the side of the bigger square? To find HCF using the repeated subtraction method. So, they itself given the hint, find the HCF by the repeated subtraction method. M is equal to 196, N is equal to 168, therefore M minus N. 196 minus 168. Sixteen minus 8 is 8. 8 minus 6 is 2. Therefore, 28. Then 168 minus 28. 8 minus 8 is 0. 6 minus 2 is 4 and 1. 140 minus 28. So 140 minus 28, 3, 10. 10 minus 2, 8 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1, 1. So 112. 112 minus 28, which is equal to 12 minus 8 is 4. 10 minus 2 is 8. 84. Then 84 minus 28. 14 minus 8 is 6. 7 minus 2 is 5. 56 minus 28, which is equal to 28. Then 28 minus 28 is equal to 0. Therefore, HCF is equal to 28.